Hey guys, so this will be an unboxing of the HP laptop by Intel. So let's get right to it. Okay, let's see what we get in the box. It's kind of hard to get out. Guessing this is the charger. Yep, this is the charger. And I'm guessing this is the battery. Then we have the laptop itself, but it's kind of hard because I don't have anything to hold my iPhone. So anyways, that's the computer. I'll probably take another video, so I'll take a part 2 video of taking it out because it's kind of hard taking it. Alright, so guys, that was just a little quick unboxing. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.